This right here, this giant box here, is what I'm excited for. From TesStudios. Let's see if it is revealed. Yes. So this is the Cybertruck refrigerator that goes in front of the center console, in between the passengers, and it gets really, really cold. Cools off really fast. So I told you this was a really cool product, literally. So I'm gonna unbox this thing. We're gonna get it in the car. I'm gonna show you how to install it. It's really quick and easy, and it's gonna come in handy because my wife has a trip she's taking. She's gonna take the Cybertruck. We're gonna be able to fit some nice, cool beverages in there, and it maximizes the size. So again, this is from TesStudios. I probably mentioned that a bunch, but there is a code down below. You can actually save 25% off of this from TesStudios using code I1Tesla. This here is a trim piece because this fits so well. We have to remove a part of the side of the interior piece. This replaces that so you can actually slide it in place. This is such a tight fit, which is great because you want it to be tight. That's what she said. Oh, that's nice. It even comes with a rubber mat, so non-stick. You can put something on there. Open the fridge up. You have a little tray. I don't know if that's an ice cube tray or what that is. I think it slides right here. You can put stuff in. Ooh, this does have a tray down below, so you can hide some little things down there, or if you don't want things sliding around, you could put frozen Snickers or something in there. So, oh, this actually stays up, and then oh, look at that. It doesn't fall right on your hands as you're trying to get stuff in. That is really nice. This doesn't stay in place. That would be kind of cool if it did, but you're probably not going to lift it up too much, so it wouldn't move too much. So let's get this thing out of here. Oh, it's not too heavy either. Perfect. What is this? This is the power supply. So there's two pieces. This is the power supply. I'm sure this fits right up front here. Ah, look at that. It fits just like this. This is going to feed to the plug inside. This plugs in right here with a fuse, which is really nice. And all you have to do is turn on your center console power supply, and boom, it works. Bob's your uncle, unless you don't have an uncle named Bob. But that is really nice. Stays open. Not going to pinch your hands. The screen's underneath this. This has got a protective layer. Let's remove a piece, a couple pieces actually, and then get this in place. All right, run and gun, no directions like usual. Again, if you need directions for a product, I don't think it's designed well, in my opinion. What we have to do is remove this piece right here, but to get to that piece, we have to pull this down. This is kind of in the way. There's clips in the middle. I've actually pulled this down quite a bit because I have wires running back here. We want to be able to get to this. Actually, we didn't even need to pull that down. We just need to pull this out. So, oh, that's noisy. I'm going to save that piece just in case you want to take this back out. But I don't think you need to remove this piece. I would try without doing that. But if you do remove it, it just clips right in. There's magnets here and then a clip on either side. This just wedges right there. So we needed to do that because the fridge is going to slide into place here, and then the power supply is going to go first, and then we're going to feed that up actually in behind the center console. There's a plug back there. That way you don't see wires going into here. But let's see how long this takes. And by the way, this is a real life scenario. I didn't clean anything. This is a YouTube video. This isn't how to clean your truck. This is how to put in a fridge. So let's put this, let's grab this. This is designed to maximize the space. Actually, let's take the twist tie off first. Maximize the space, that's perfect. What a great fit. I mean, that doesn't slide around either. So you're not gonna have rattling. It's actually cut out in the grooves here. So this slides right in. You could, I guess, if you wanted to, put felt tape back there so to to reassure that you don't have any, you know, rattling. Now let's grab the fridge. This thing's going so easy. Goodness gracious, it's not heavy at all. I'm wondering if it's noisy. Oh, the seat was pretty much all the way back. We're gonna take this, plug it in. We can find it. All right, found the plug. Now we're gonna take this, lift it over the seat bracket, shake back and forth, and sits right there. Now we're gonna take those other pieces and put that back in here. Here they are. These two pieces here. So it looks like we have to do the wall first. Oh yeah, that slides over those pieces a little easier. And then we take this, feed it back there. You know, I'm kind of rushing through this, but oh, that fits right in there. Yeah, you heard that lock in there? And that's in there nice and tight. It does move a little bit, so I guess you could put some wedging in here so it doesn't move at all, but I doubt it's gonna make any noise. I doubt it's gonna make any noise while you're driving. We're gonna have to see that, but it looks like it fits really good. Power buttons over here. We're gonna have to plug it in the back. In fact, let's do that. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna get this out of the way just for a minute. Oh, there's the plug right here. Well, look at that. It's almost like it's designed for it. And then you can take this and grab that so it's out of the way. Use a twist tie, put it right here, and then you'll be all set back here. Okay, I don't normally do this. This is the user manual, but this is a refrigerator. You know, if you've ever moved a refrigerator, you're not supposed to plug it in right away or power it up. After receiving the product, allow it to sit for 4 hours before using. So here's the thing, I got it yesterday. I let it sit for 4 hours, but it was on its side. You're not supposed to turn it on if it's on its side. So I'm gonna leave it inside here. It is plugged in, okay? But it's not on. I didn't turn the power on to the outlets. You can see that right there. I didn't turn the power on. It is plugged in. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna plug it in on my way to work. And then we're gonna see, I only have a 5-minute drive, but we're gonna see what it's like tomorrow morning. And then it needs to sit for at least 4 hours. I'm gonna do that in the morning. And then I'll get back with you on the Cyber refrigerator from TesStudio. Get chilling, man. Woo! I turned this on when I got to work and it was 30 degrees. Now it is Celsius, so we gotta change that. It's 7 degrees Celsius now, so it's nice and cool in there, I'm sure. Oh yeah, that would definitely keep beverages cool. So it's been on for, what, 2 hours now? It's 11 o'clock, I got here at 9. Did a software update. It's in eco mode right now. If I tap the power button and I hit, oh, that's how we can go to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Let's go to, you can go to eco mode, hit plus and minus, you can do max, and now it's off, and now we can change, oh, wait, no. What's this? And I think this is a really cool add-on to the Cybertruck. And what I really like is there's a pad right here. My foot can rest right here while I'm driving, if I'm actually driving. And you know, sometimes this thing's in full self-driving because they don't have autopilot for this. It doesn't make sense. I'm not going to get in that rant, but this thing looks like it fits the Cybertruck perfectly. I think it adds quite a bit to the Cybertruck. I really do like it. Now again, from TesStudio, you can save 25% by using my code I1Tesla. It saves you quite a bit of money off of this. My wife is going to be using this tomorrow as she goes on a little trip, and I think she'll like it. I'll have to show her how to use it, of course. But again, you can get all sorts of stuff from TesStudio. Use code I1Tesla. You can save on everything. They sell these things. They sell this thing. They sell this thing. They sell the tilt screen. I gotta go because work is calling. Stay awesome, stay positive. I'll catch you on the next one.